It's Noobtastic.
Hello YouTubers, today we're unboxing the Corsair Dark Core mouse. I got this off Kogan on Afterpay. It's a wireless wired mouse, so you can use USB as well. Yeah, so let's unbox it. As you can see, it opens up. I originally thought that I opened up here, but it doesn't. It just opens up a little door. Little sticky pad. And then that slides out to unveil an empty box. Now how do we get this open? Just there. Slides out. Instructions which are useless, and we've got our mouse. Got a nice braided cable, which is nice and thick. They've also got a left-handed support, which I believe that just clicks off like that. Oh, it's magnetic. It's actually quite good to rest your hand on too. Might even sleeve that one on. Put that back in there. What have we got here? We've got an adapter from standard USB to micro B USB, and we've also got a Bluetooth sender receiver. Actually, I don't think it's Bluetooth. I think it's only for the Corsair Dark mouse. I'm kind of hoping not to use that since the laptop's got Bluetooth. Right, let's see how hard it is to sync up to the laptop. I'll just bring that out just in case I have to use it. It will go back like that. Oh, it just slides into the bottom like a drawer. As you can see on the bottom there's an on-off switch and 2.4 gigahertz or Bluetooth. So I'm going to switch it across to Bluetooth and turn it on, and she all lights up, which is pretty cool. We'll open this up. Let's go down to our Bluetooth. Add a Bluetooth device. Add another Bluetooth device. Bluetooth. Corsair Dark mouse. The device is ready to go. Let's see if it is. And it is. That was really easy. That took literally 5 seconds for that to sync up. And now I can use the mouse. Sweet. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a good day.